Uh, Wait 2 minutes. Okay. How to solve the problems in a real-time solutions. Okay. To deploy a lot of questions in IT team members, in which system has to install and what are the dependencies, what are the database requirements, and what are the security requirements, and who can access. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is IT team members end up lot of questions. Okay. This is next Monday. This is the Friday situation. Okay. This is Friday situation, and Monday have modified with the team member, manager, and team members. Okay. Okay. And this is a question. So, and development team and operational team, they are discussing about. They don't know what to expect asking questions. They are discussing both. They don't know which server and the client. And they are always request in the last minute. We are missing the deadline because of IT team, because of we got so much downtime on servers. A development team, operational team discussing about this. Okay, and this wa- this is why DevOps comes in means modified is a reason for organization failures. It will be like this. So let us see individual problems, development and build team and testing team, development team. What each team do individually, they are thinking like this. Developers are responsibilities for code using Java, .NET, Python, Ruby, etc. Build team members are responsibilities for build the code made by developers and using Ant and Maven. Okay, Ant and Maven. And which what team individually means as a testing team. There are teams are available. I will show you. First one, architect team. Second one, are okay. Next one, developers. Next one, testing team. Infrastructure team. And okay, admin team. Networking team. Database team. Cyber IAM team. Can use IAM team. These are the teams available. These are the teams available in the every organizations. Okay, architect team. Okay, organizations. So developers, developer responsible for coding that nothing but Java or .NET or Python or Ruby, etc. They are solving an application related issues, application coding related issues. Okay, developers. And second one, testing team. They are responsible for they are responsible for any issues are there in the coding related bugs, that nothing but bugs. One is major, one is minor bugs. It will treat, and they are using some automation tools for scanning the codes. So if any bugs are identified, it will send back, it will identify, they will again sending back to development team. They are fix and resend the code for testing. If all test cases are passed with zero tolerance errors, errors, then move it to admin team for deploying the applications in the lower environments. The lower environments, one is we have environment types. Okay, environment types. If any not understand, please bring me the chart window. Environments. Some of the organizations dev, some of the organizations SID, some of the organization UAT, some of the organization pre-prod, some of the organization prod. The prod nothing but DC and DR environment. Okay, DC DR activities. Okay. These are the environments. Application tested in the all lower environments. before going into production. If any issues are identified, they they are resolved at lower stage only. Lower stage only. Okay. Lower stage in the production deployment, we will take downtime from the higher management team, and can schedule the change or change or change and time between these timings only we will perform the change. There are changes are two types. Changes are two types. Changes are two types. One is standard change. Second one is emergency change. Emergency change. Standard change. Standard change. Standard. We will take all approvals, then it will makes an schedule state. On the schedule state, we can perform the changes. Nothing but installing or uninstalling product or bugs removal. 1 minute. Bugs removal. Okay. Okay. Bugs removal, etc. And apply log4j properties to in the avoiding the security attacks. Okay. Emergency ECR is we will install ER or some other things. We need to take approvals from managers, that is nothing but client managers, and we will attach the mail in the change window, and we will do we will do the change. This is nothing but okay. This is infrastructure team. They will responsible for creating the infrastructure based on the requirement. Suppose I will show I have some VMware is there. So I will show my VMware. I build my infrastructure. Infrastructure team they will build the infrastructure based on the requirement. Is installing OS images, Red Hat or CentOS or AX or Ubuntu, etc. Like this, I will show you. One 128. Yes, I'm logging as a VAS admin. This is my personal system. Like this, it will be built under login given login purpose. It will be built entire OS like this. Selenium testing team responsible for testing build code made by build team using Selenium test which okay quick test professionals. Okay, how development team works? See SCM and they're reading something and they're implementing code. See, what is the first? They're preparing code and post secure code management is GitHub. It takes 6 months to prepare the code, send to build team, and they start building packages. If it's failed, send to developers. They modify the code and send to the build team again. It will be this is the secure code management. This is the one of the repositories. Okay, this is one of the repository. Okay, see, I log in clear ps-f pipe symbol grep Java, any packages are running. We will see. This is my cluster is running ps-f pipe symbol grep dmgr. Yeah, my dmgr is running. What is the IP address? Host name space I. This is my IP address. Okay. I will access application under the IP address. I will show you. Planned by WebSphere is my application. Meanwhile, I will access console also. Yeah, firewall is inactive, no issues reported. Yeah, so I am deploying the I open the console and this is my application. Any issues, any application issues, I will click fruits and vegetables. Any issues? Levels and I will show home page. Okay, this is the home page. This is shopping cart. This is login page. This is the static pages. Okay. This is helping.jsp is clicking. Okay. This is my application. This is my VAS console. So, okay, like this, each and this is page and how development team works. SCM, see performance testing, user accepting, module testing, integration. After the 8 is send to test team. They have tested the packages. They have tested following things in the package. Package consists of module testing, integration testing, performance testing, user acceptance testing. Okay. After this, to test all these, they have created an environment. They are preparing test reports. In the test report consists of bugs, performance issues, user acceptance issues, everything you can use. And for again to send development team, they have rework on code. If requirements are not changed, product will be ready. Development ready under testing. Requirement change product will go to development team. See testing if any issues, you can go to the developers again build testing. It will be goes like this. Agile we can they have some of agile model and waterfall model, okay, etc. They are the models available in the real-time scenarios. Agile model, waterfall models, and some of the models available. Waterfall model means each and everything we need to go to like this means source, build, testing. If bugs identify, send back developers. If anything, go to deployment to deployment to etc. This is everything knows this concept. Agile model won't build application fully. They are divided application in many small modules. The requirement is changed. The modification of application is very easy by add patches and remove bugs. This is avoid these issues in agile model comes up. There still latency for building application. If any issues in the test case, we can go to the developer and build. Okay? And operational team means IT team, server team, network team, virtualization team, storage team, and network team. These all comes under the operational teams. And operational teams, IT team, nothing but 1 to 5% of the development team. Size of the operational team is 1 to 5%. This is responsibilities of IT team. Server team, they're responsible for maintaining the servers. IT team, IT team, they are responsible for application or server issues. Server issues means application slowness on threads, application slowness on threads. Okay, under deployment errors coordinated with suitable team to resolve issues. What one is data source issues, data source issues, and installing product fixes, and fix packs released by the company. Okay, sixth one, this one, different issues resolved in the IT team, coordinated with the teams, with the respective teams, resolved the issues, verified the logs, logs. Here, for example, for example, take any take any or take IBM WebSphere application server consists of some of the logs. One is systemout.log. Another one is system error.log. Third one is this, and this is most of the errors displayed in the above logs. about us. If in case cannot find out it any errors, we can go for FFDC logs. First value data capture. Okay, like this or this memory related issues identified in the need to std out dot log need to std err dot log and we can sum up. Okay, we can main configuration server.xml is main configuration file for WebSphere for data source resource.xml resource.xml web.xml for deployment purpose and node.xml and cell.xml and I will show you real-time scenarios CD OPT IBM WebSphere app server profiles DMGR CD config cells. I will show you each and everything clearly. This is plugin fg.xml. I will show you DMGR see security.xml security purpose. I will write it here security.xml virtual host.xml. Suppose cell, what is the cell? Cell consists of nodes registered under the DMGR cell by using the federation concept. Okay, node we will register in the node.xml security.xml consists of security for DMGR console disable or enable purpose. Okay, resource.xml database related information will be available and in WebSphere 8.5 they are drawback is there identified in the servers. I will show you what is that. Go to nodes CD shift insert servers. This is VAS server. In this is I will open here. I will open Vim. This is in this. Sometimes server is not start high availability manager issue. So in the scenarios, it will make false. Okay. Then HA manager is when HA manager issues coming in real time scenarios, we will make it as a false. Then issues resolved. I in my environment in my current laptop there are this issue is faced sometimes. So I disabled and working fine, no issues reported. See, resource.xml, I will show you in this. What is resource.xml file consists of? See, database related information. Okay, database, basic password and everything. Okay, and server.xml is the main. I told right already. What is server.xml? Server related informations will be available. Admin server, soup connector port number. Okay, like this available each and everything. So this is any port number is list of open files hyphen I 8081. See, these are the commands, these are the IP address, these are the listening port numbers. Is this is IP6 address. Okay, this is the user, bash admin user. This is the process ID. This is the process ID. TCP transmission control protocol. This is the address. 5233 is the port number. 52366. Okay, listen. IP6 bash admin. This is the process ID. PS-F 5 symbol graph. Okay, I will take this. See, this is IHS. IHS. Okay, like this you can see. What is this? IHS. This is HTTPD. Okay, HTTPD means IHS. That is some performance. Sorry, top command. Top as is AX servers. See, and CPU utilization and a memory purpose, CPU utilization, and we can see process ID and users. How to resolve CPU utilization for the servers? This is NC CPU utilization 30. I will take it one okay. PS I find F. Wait 1 minute. Control C. PS I find F 5 symbol graph. This is which process? This is server one process taking server one. OPT IBM WebSphere profiles. Okay. Is there any dumps are generated? We can verify. There is no dumps, right? If you want to generate dumps for this, fill -3 process ID. 16097. 16097. You can use this. You can generate the dumps if you want. Okay. This is the path. Okay. Temp, temp. These are the configurations of the server. Each and every server have same configurations. Temp is workspace temp means normal temp, log means server logs, cd logs, cd VAS server, or we can use cd cd test. This is system.out.log vim shift to G. Any issues are there? We can see vim. E means error. Application related means you can contact application development team. See, a driver database errors. Okay. W means warning, E means errors, I means information, A means append. Okay, like this, infrastructure team is doing like this. IT team. Okay, these are maintenance and network team coordinate with the network team, and like this. Native STD ER, native STD out. I show you, I told right. Shift to G. Be careful with the VI tools. Any issues identified. No more related issues you can see. Okay, system error.log. Okay, shift to G. Okay, like this. Go to one step back. I told right FFDC logs. You can take latest win. This is the FFDC. You can reach and everything is clearly written here. FFDC, which class, whatever it is, everything clearly. JDBC driver, data source, everything. Some of the issues are there. Okay, like this. Okay, resolve IT team. They are responsible for this server team. Okay, virtualization team. They are responsible for maintaining virtual machines and infrastructure. Hypervisor. This infrastructure team is doing like this. And the storage team is database storage team. Server is up and out. And what is the uptime? What is the uptime? Sorry, uptime. What is the uptime? 1044 is the load average. This is for users. What is the users? CD home. What are the users available? We will see. WebLogic and VAS admin available. Okay, this responsible security team, they are maintaining firewalls providing security to enterprises. And I will show you in here. Client send a request to the DNS to load balancer. The load balancer consists of load balancer. In the load balancer consists of load balancer have on firewall and LB2. Some of the organization can maintain LB1 and LB2. LB2 and web server, or we can use HTTP server. After this, application server 2, database. This suppose 503 issues happened. Some of the scenarios verify telnet or ping. I will show some of the ping hyphen f 192.168.40.128. Ping is right. Ping is less than 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Fine. No issues reported. Ping is not working. Telnet not working. Contact network team for the issues. Okay. After this, 503 issues means issues with load balancer or firewall. 503 means request unable to handle the server. Okay. 5 star means server issues. 4 star means 400, 401, 403. Client side errors. Client side errors 300. Mostly authentication errors 301 or forbidden. Like this we can use. Okay, like this we can treat it. We can treat. Okay, this is main scenarios. Client send request to the DNS security. This is 443 port number and 443 port number, and here 443 port number and 443 port number. Here web server we can use. The web server we are configure under 3443. Okay, by default 3443. An application server 2, application server will configure 9443 port number, and the database we can configure 1521 means Oracle, 1433 SQL Server, 3306 MySQL, DB2 50,000 is the port numbers we are using in the real-time scenarios. Okay, this is thing happen in the real-time scenarios. And one more thing, most important, OOM issues out of memory issues. Java.lang. Null pointer issues. Issues are Java.lang. Out of memory. It will source in the logs. It will source in the logs. So In these scenarios, application takes more GBs identified using MAT tool, memory analyzer tools in production environment. More than 3 GB logs we can analyze using MAT tool. For below 1 GB using we will use heap analyzer tool. This is the certification question. This is certification question. This is certification question. Okay. This is GAS 9.0.5 certification question. Okay. In this question, they are asked in the more than 3 GB, which tool we are using? MAT tool, memory analyzer tools we are using. Okay. In this, okay, like this we are using for garbage collection purpose. GC analyzer tools or IBM team server is there. I will show you the team server is there or not. I will maximum is there. I will show you what is the team server. I will show you. These are the PMR team. They're resolving here. This PMR team. They are resolving this by using this. We can analyze and all the things send to the server team for solution. This is team server. PMR team, they will analyzing this and send back to the development team. Sorry, send back to the server team. Server team will coordinate with the respective teams for issues. This is a server-based application allows a process of loading single user and case management, file management, problem detection, report tab. Everything is there. In this problem, class loader analyzer and this is to garbage collection and health heap analyzer, memory analyzer and port config issues, profile port checker, thread and heap analyzer, and web server plugins configuration, each and everything clearly there. Okay, like this, based on the scenarios, we can help. These are the firewall and everything. Okay. Responsible for IT team to deploy applications. They have servers, network connectivity, OS patching, supporting servers, and other activity. To access the application, they have open ports. Open ports. We have some of the port numbers are there. One is 80 for IHS, 443 for IHS, security. Secure port number, 9080, application accessing port without security, 9443, application accessing with security port number. Okay, and this keep remember this 9060 DMGR console port numbers without secure, without secure, 9043 DMJAR console with security port number, LDAP port numbers 389 without security, LDAP port number 636 with security port number. Okay, so that is 3389 RDP port number, RDP port number and databases port numbers 1521 for Oracle, 1521 Oracle, 1433 SQL and 3306 MySQL, MySQL 3306 and DB2 and 50,000. This is DB2. These are the some of the group members available in the real-time scenarios. But if any issues, okay, contact supporting teams. Okay, maintain and run book documentation, everything is there. Okay, this is a development team and operational team like this. Build, change, standard, target. Both the team success metrics are different. We can follow ITIL rules. See ITIL. What is the ITIL? What is ITIL? Information technology, information library. One is SLA, SLA, service level agreement. Okay, another one is we cannot breach service level agreement. Another one is incident or incident tasks. Third one is change management, change tasks or ECR tasks. ECR task. Another thing is the emergency task. Another thing is problem tasks for RCA, continuous same problems occurs. We have tried to solve permanent solution for that problems. I will tell you for some of the examples. Storage issues, etc. Okay, this is the example. Okay, what is the solution? They both measure together work on organization success. How to make organization success by implementing DevOps tools. Okay, what is the DevOps? DevOps is a software development methodology combines software development with information technology operations. The goal of DevOps is shorten the system development and cycle, also deliver future and fix and update, continuous integration and continuous development. This one comes with the Jenkins. These are the steps, monitoring and all the steps like this. Parts of the DevOps tools, DevOps process, DevOps culture, and parts of the DevOps. See, developer and automation things, automation and integration means operational teams, dev and collaboration and community and other things. increase productivity and target reach assess. Okay, continuous integration, continuous deployment. This is Jenkins, like this Git, source management code, and Visual Studio, Teams Foundation Server, Subversions, and continuous. Okay, Puppet, Chef, configuration management, Docker, parts of okay continuous deployment, Jobix, the SolarWinds, Nigins, like this. These are the tools. DevOps engineers, works, software developers, system operation, other related steps. Okay, roles and responsibilities, able to perform the troubleshooting and problem solving across platform and application domains. Domain is not working, we can contact LB team and web team, other teams. Amazon Web DevOps certification consists of Amazon Web Services, Red Hat, and Microsoft DevOps Institute. And AWS certified DevOps engineer also is there. In AWS DevOps professional solution architect, implementing Microsoft Azure DevOps solution, Red Hat certificate. The other Ansible configuration container, everything is there. DevOps Institute consists of DevOps Foundation certified DevOps leader, networking professional consists of CCNA and wireless networking professional advanced. Okay, like this server professional, Microsoft Windows server, Red Hat Linux server administration, new upgraded courses. So like this virtualization and VMware, like this is the cloud administration services and Microsoft Azure Foundation. These are the documentation is there. I explained clearly what are the drawbacks in the real-time scenarios. These are the drawbacks available in IT scenarios. Okay, this thank you for watching this. Any issues, please ping me the Teams chat. Any no okay. If, okay, if any issues, please ping me the chart. I will provide the answers.